Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm just going to talk to you about finding your true passion and how that can change everything for you. I know I did a video on this, I think 2 videos ago. I talked about finding your true passion and just, going for it. And it's just been a real awakening for me over the last couple of months. For me, transitioning from putting the majority of my time into growing my online businesses and my soap business versus now putting more of my energy into my art. I just feel like it's important to talk about because I see so many people who just go through life accepting whatever it is that they're doing because they think that that's the only way. Because we're conditioned, let's face it, we're conditioned from the time we're little, that we have to go to college, we have to get a good job, we have to have the house with the white picket fence, and none of that's true. Unless you're absolutely passionate about becoming a doctor or a lawyer or an accountant or a science, something that needs a degree, you don't have to do any of that. Most people that I talk to when they join me or they're thinking about joining me in one of my programs is that they're not happy with their job. And I can relate to that because up until I was 38 years old, I did nothing but have jobs. And it wasn't until I started working for myself that I saw, that I really felt that I was in my comfort zone. But it wasn't until I started really focusing on my art, that's when I started really feeling like this was my calling, my true passionate calling, right? And don't get me wrong, I enjoy helping people. I'm going to continue to help people in the online space, in the work from home space. And I thought that was my true passion, and I am passionate about helping people. I want people to be successful and to be able to have time freedom so they can do what they want when they want for as long as they want and never have to worry about cash flow. But there's other ways of doing it. I don't know what I guess I'm trying to say is that you don't have to settle for a job, which is an acronym for just over broke. And you don't have to settle for a work from home opportunity in order to have time freedom. You can do what it is you want to do. I never thought about my art as being something I did for money because I just love the creative process. I love coming up with ideas and then turning them into paintings. And I started painting back in 2018. And this entire time, my wife's been saying, Russ, you should really put your art up for sale online. See what people think about it. And I've always been not afraid, but I guess afraid is a proper word, that people wouldn't like what it is that I'm doing because I'm in a very particular niche when it comes to painting. I paint dark art. I like unsettling and disturbing things, images, paintings. Because I grew up watching horror movies. I love horror movies, right? So it's nothing satanic or anything like that. It's just what I like. I like paintings that make me stop and go, wow, what is this all about? There's something that I'm going to remember after seeing it. That's just what I love. I love dark art. So I never thought that there'd be, I didn't realize that there were buyers for dark art paintings, but there is. And I started putting my paintings online and I'm selling them and I can't believe it. And I'm quickly realizing that, I'm not doing it for the money part, but how cool is it that I'm making money from something that I absolutely love doing? And that's the whole point of this, is that you can make money. It doesn't even have to be about money, but if you find your true calling, what you're really passionate about, nowadays you can monetize everything. So instead of me just painting and having literally hundreds of paintings in my little art studio, where my wife's like, you need to sell some of these, make more room for yourself. And I sold some to friends and family over the years, people that wanted to support what I was doing. But now I'm actually selling them to people that I don't even know. And I have some collectors who buy up paintings from me every week now. And it's awesome. So my point is that find what excites you. Find what makes the time disappear. Because most people at work, they're just looking at at the time, wondering how much longer they have before they go home. When I'm painting, I don't even think about time. I don't even look at the clock. I just paint because that's what I enjoy doing now. And I have enjoyed painting since I started back in 2018, but now I'm turning it into more than just painting. I'm monetizing it, not because, that's my purpose in doing so. It's just, that's how it's turning out for me. I didn't think my paintings were going to sell, but they're selling, and I love it, and it makes me feel great, and it makes me feel even better knowing that I'm doing something that I absolutely love doing, where there is no time. I'm not worried about the time. I feel excited when I'm painting. I don't have the anxiety and stress and worries about other things in my life when I'm painting. And I think that it's important for people to really step outside of their comfort zone and just take a chance and do what it is that you like to do. And if you can find a way to monetize it, that's awesome. Because life is short. We're only here a short time. And, we're just here a short time. So you might as well be doing something that you like, and stop thinking about the monetary part of it, and stop thinking about pleasing everybody else in your life. Do what you want to do. Do what makes you feel good, and focus on that. And like I said, a passion doesn't have to start as an income. Just start doing whatever it is that you like doing, whenever you have the free time to do it. And later on, if you can monetize it, that's great. But no matter what, follow your heart, find something that you're passionate about, and just do it. There's no reason not to do it. Everything works itself out. And I guess that's just my message for today. Finding your true passion can change everything if you go and search for it, and you decide to take action and pursue it. And it doesn't have to be full-time right away. Work into it. If you like sewing, or if you like making music, or if you like, painting, or whatever it is, just start doing it. Incorporate that into your daily life. And you'll be thankful you did. I wish I wouldn't have waited this many years to start feeling comfortable to put my paintings out there and to even let people know what it is I paint. Because believe it or not, there's a lot of people that have unfollowed me because of my art, because I share it on there, and they think it's demonic and satanic and all that. And it's nothing further from the truth. It's just things that I like to paint, and that's all there is to it. There's nothing more than I like art or horror movies, and Stephen King lives right up the road from us here. I grew up with that stuff. That's what I like. And if you like painting flowers, or if you like painting the ocean, or if you like painting cars, or whatever it is, go and do it. There is a niche for it. There is a market for whatever it is that you like to do. And people don't know that you exist unless you let them know that you exist, right? So all I'm saying is that life is too valuable to not truly explore what you love. And I think it's important, and I wish I would have done it sooner. But I can just tell you that I love putting my energy into creating something, as opposed to putting my energy into getting people to join my opportunities all the time. It's just a huge difference, And like I said, I'm going to continue to do grow my online businesses and help people who join me. I'm going to continue to do that because I am passionate about that. But I'm focusing more of my time on creating paintings that I enjoy, that really resonate with me, that make me feel my best. And I think you should find something that makes you feel your best and pursue it. So that's it for this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.